Welcome everyone, I'm Robyn Cavallaro, I'm a realtor in Florida, and I have yet another home tour. This time I am on the historic side of the Villages, just across the street from Spanish Springs. I have a manufactured home, 2-bed, 2-bath, with a lot of little nooks and crannies for you to get creative. If you maybe are crafty or you need a home office, there's a lot of space here for you in this home here in the Villages, Florida. But before we start, I want you, if you're looking for a home, you want to check this out. Make sure you begin your home search on my website for all homes MLS here in the Villages or in Florida. So don't miss out on the next home for you to purchase. Visit robyncavallaro.com to begin your home search. You can save searches based on area, size, price, and that is also where I can see your searches and what you saved, and you will receive emails from me with new listings and new information about homes here in the Villages. robyncavallaro.com. Make sure you accept cookies when you go to register. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we're going to take a look around. All right, we're back. Outside neighborhood. All right, so we have carport, and then on the side here is golf cart garage. All right, so, hold on, I'm just gonna turn. I don't wanna turn quick, make anyone sick. There's a door here. They don't really use this, but it's an entrance into the home. And again, this is a manufactured home. So, you know, I have a home 930 Orchid, which is a modular because it's built on a slab. This is a manufactured home where it's elevated off the ground and it's braced underneath. And that's what an inspector, when you buy a manufactured home, you definitely want to make sure you get an inspector that has experience, because they have to crawl underneath here to check for proper bracing. All right, so we're going to walk in this vestibule or little sitting area. And, you know, again, you can get really creative. If you work from home, you can do that in here. If you make jewelry or if you are an artist, this is a great space to utilize. Or if you just want to relax, read a book, have a cup of coffee, glass of wine, you can do that. It's the entrance into the home. But when we look here, through this door is the laundry, and then behind it there is the laundry room, and then there's another room that is the workshop, and another entrance into the golf cart garage, and from the laundry you can get into the master primary bedroom. All right, let's... All right, we'll pan around here. So the home is, you know, carpet. It's the carpet, I know it's pink, but it's in good shape. And vinyl, or linoleum as we used to call it. Lots of storage. Again, the home is clean. If you're looking for some opportunity to just come down for a couple months, this could be a great choice for you. The home is being sold as is. And I'm going to tell you about that in a moment. All right. And I have boots on today because it is a little chilly. But everything is open, airy, lots of windows. It's very bright. Listing price is $170,000. Now we have a pantry closet. Fridge, range, dishwasher. The dishwasher does not work because the owner didn't use it. They washed their own dishes. I know that's a foreign concept, but you know, in these manufactured homes, you see, well, they put a desk there, but these are built-in places for your dishes. If it were like a china cabinet, They have frosted glass windows on either side, gives you a little privacy. And I call this space out here the bonus room. Now, all of the furniture will be sold in an estate sale, which is taking place at the end of January. If you're interested in learning about the estate sale, please make a mention in the comments below, and I will get you that information. I'm not exactly sure of the day. So we do lots of space, lots of open space. All right, before we get back into the bedrooms and the rest of the home, I want to just talk with you about the contract. So this is an as-is contract, and we also have a standard contract here in Florida. I do a video here that I produce that talks all about the contracts, but if you look in the description box below, I'll put a link to that video so you understand the different types of contracts that we use here in the Villages, Florida. Again, if you're looking for an expert to list your home, or to help you find a buyer, or buyers to help you find that property, that perfect property, you know, you got to call me. My number is up here. It'll be located throughout the video. Call me, text me, email me. I'm here to help. All right, so let's get to the rest of that. And so now we're going to go back. This is bathroom. And then this is bedroom number 2. They use it as an office sitting room. Could be man cave. I don't know why hers is a she shed, but and this, it has all high ceilings. There is a walk-in closet there. All right, and they do have a little storage cubby hole over here. Actually, I had all the documents for the home are stored in here. And then you have the primary bedroom. Again, high ceiling. This looks like a double, but you could fit a queen in here. Now, I know the carpet's pink. Again, I said this, but the carpet's in good condition. This is the stairway that goes to the laundry room and the primary bathroom. And list price is $170,000. And there is a linen closet or storage closet here. Okay. Shower, stall shower, it's an insert. And then it's a big walk-in closet. It looks like someone's building a home back there. All right, so out of the bedroom, we're going to go down this little step. And this is a laundry room. I'll give you a overhead view. So they have the laundry, office, workstation. That's the door that leads into the vestibule, the little space when we first came in off of the carport. And in this room, so the hot water heater's back there too. So here you go, you got your dirty clothes, you throw them right out of the door into the laundry room. And then this is the workshop. So this is in the back. And what he did is put this little window there because it gets hot in here, and this was another way to cool this space off by letting the air conditioning come from the main part of the home. Again, everything will be out after the estate sale. And this is the golf cart garage. Now, they do not know if the golf cart's in working order, but everything will be out of here. And those doors, the double doors, they open up. Okay. All right, we're going to take another walk through. Now, I've heard these homes will rent for about $3,500 a month in season. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this home tour. If you would like to make them an offer they can't refuse, my number's up here. You'll see it throughout the video. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. If you're looking for a home to buy or sell, give me a call. I guess until next time, I'll see you.